Hi Fragrance fam, and welcome back to the AFI Project Lab. If you're new, my name is Beth and I'll be showing you how to use our room spray base. The fragrance we've picked out is one of our fall favorites, our version of Marshmallow Fireside by Bath & Body Works. This base is super versatile. Depending on what scent you use, you can set the mood around the house, freshen up a bathroom, or make your linens feel cozy and clean even days after you've washed them. For a comfy fall vibe that still feels a little sophisticated, our take on Bath & Body Works Marshmallow Fireside fragrance is my go-to. As one of our best-selling scents, it really speaks for itself in candles and sprays, and it blends right into our spray base without turning opaque or milky. I used a 25% concentration of fragrance, which will make the spray strong, but feel free to adjust the percentage based on how intense you want your own sprays to smell. Typically, you can use anywhere from 10% to 25% fragrance, and you'll get a room or linen spray that'll smell fantastic. Packaged up however you'd like, amber glass bottles are our personal favorite because they have a really elegant look that makes the spray feel less like an air freshener and more like a home fragrance staple. Label appeal goes a long way when it comes to sprays that look relatively plain in the packaging. If you want to know how we design our own labels, leave us a comment down below. So there you have it. This scent is a winner for fall and winter if you make home fragrance products. With steps as simple as these, you can easily add a line of sprays scented with all your best sellers to pair with candles and reed diffusers. Stay tuned for more fall fragrance fun, where we'll show you how to use more of our top selling scents in everything from soaps to wax melts and more. Thanks so much for watching, Fragrance fam. See you in the next one.